Hakalong ka jing sarong ya ka jela ba ya ka rihi baro ka wei hadien ba wei unong ranar ka jela batip kerteng kumu Dr. Sajid Nagi uba mi khmat nakari India ulala ban khuri kata kama Rupa hakalumpung ya kop ranar kabala tip kum ka Asian Pacific African Classic Powerlifting Championship kabala sedang nadu kan riu tarik hadu ka khatlai tarik naitung bala penlong ha Himeji Japan. Kinong yalam ka Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association hakajing Wanphai u Dr. Sajid Nagi Shakajalla hinen kasingi khan riu tarik naitung kila Pdiang Burom u Dr. Sajid Nagi ha Sning Ribhoi district. Kumban syupentip utei urang raknar ka jela ude ubashong basa ha Police Bazar Shillong bar ude ru unong hikai bala syong thait jong ka St. Edmunds College. Bakate ga jingla jong u ban khur ya kata kama Rupa ha ka Master 3 category kalong ka jing sarong ka bakrau ya ka jela pat ka badairu ka sien ka baning kong jong ka powerlifting Meghalaya ban khur ya ka takama hakum ka te karansan ka bahe.
Hamne ngi Sajid Nagi ibala one Japan ban chimenta ha ka powerlifting but la represent ya ka Meghalaya but ya ka India ru ti ngidap da ka jing so klo ba kari Meghalaya ru kala poisya ka kerdan ka ba hajurong jong ka international ka liam jong ka powerlifting ba Sir Nagi Dr. Sajid Nagi ibala wara ya ka nam haka powerlifting boro ki jing atem jingi ila yo ya ka nam but hadu utai ila yo Pdiang Burom ila poisuk Shillong the tangdi ni kitini ngai Khuborjylla section ya Dr. Sajid Nagi. Welcome sir to Shillong and thanks to God that you reach safely. Thank you. So I need few words from your side, sir.
Okay. So hello everybody. I am so happy to be back to my home state. I've been out for nearly 14 days now, and then we reached Japan on the 5th of July. And then the competitions, they started all on the 6th of different categories, all the other events were also there. Then my event was on the 11th. So in that case, I had a couple of days by which I could prepare myself, get acclimatized over there with the weather, with the time. And the best part was that the event in which I took part, the Masters 3 category for 74 kg people, that started at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock of Japan time, which was say 11:30 in India. The weigh-in was just 2 hours before. That means when the program was to start at 3 o'clock, weigh-in took place at 1 p.m. Then at 3 p.m. the program started, the weightlifting started, and in my category there were 4 people. There were 2 people from Japan, 1 was from Mongolia, and me, I was representing from India. So by God's grace, the competition was very tough, and the person who came first, he was totally on a league of his own. He was lifting very heavy weights. So I knew that, okay, my only chance was to at least get onto the podium. And before the last lift, which was the deadlift, before that also, for the last one, I was still ranking 3rd. So I knew that in the last deadlift, I had to make sure that I lift such a weight by which I would go, my total would increase by at least a few more kgs, so that I could beat the person who was still coming 2nd. So finally, I had to make an attempt of 175 kgs deadlift, which I could successfully do it, and then that itself gave me the 2nd position and the silver medal. So apart from that, I won bronze medal for squats, bronze medal for bench press, a silver medal for deadlift, and an overall silver medal. So I'm very proudly displaying these medals, and I'm very happy to be back here in my state with my friends, the members of the Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association, with whose encouragement I have been able to go through such a long journey and bring laurels to the country and specifically to our state, Meghalaya.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
And before I forget, I should not miss out thanking the government of Meghalaya Department of Sports, because they sponsored my trip. They gave me a certain amount of grant which helped me to go and represent the state in all its glory. And I am thankful to the government, to the Department of Sports for their sponsorship and support.